In this video, we change out the rear rotors and brakes on my 2015 F150 XLT Sport. The rotors installed are the PowerStop Performance Brake Pads and Rotors kit number KOE6268. I'll leave links in the description on where you can pick these up. I'll also quickly touch on the price and my thoughts after a couple months of use. I had a few people suggest PowerStop's top-end kit that was drilled and slotted, but I ended up going with the standard Evolution kit since I don't do much towing and it was much cheaper. I purchased this kit from AutoZone after comparing prices, and it was actually cheaper to buy it online than going into the store. This video will show the entire install, but I do want to go ahead and give my opinion. Two things stand out after 2 months of use. One, rotors rust very quickly. This is my first new set of rotors that I can recall, and I'm disappointed that my shiny new rotors started to show signs of rust almost immediately, day 2 even. I'd suggest looking into prepping and painting the non-contact locations. If you get a set of these, there are plenty of YouTube videos to help with this process. Two, the set of brake pads that come with these, specifically the fronts, are very squishy and don't stop nearly as good as my old worn out metal-to-metal brake pads. I'm considered switching these out just a few thousand miles in.
She had a free. Now the brake down there. The way they weren't turning it in it. But I gotta tell you, during the day while I was at work, I gotta tell you, them cats suffered. Putting up with her.
Yeah.
I ain't supposed to be working on forwards either. I wonder how much it costs.
Better brains at the 117.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so that's not so bad.
If he does, I'm gonna go with him.
Some also have some.
Yeah.
They were telling me. Yeah, when you say you said, are they all the same?
Hey, there you brake. Earthly brakes. I'm gonna put a wrench in your mouth. Trading, guys. Just road dust.
What's that do to get all the
Well,
dust
it gets
out
all
of
the
there?
dust and everything of that. You gotta find the hole. The one that he's got Parkinson's. Yeah, this one here is. Yeah, there we go. God.
You go in there?
Finally. How's that? I could have just shoved them in my pocket. Said extra pieces. Hey, I got this side now.
Like,
I got button it opens back on. That way you can take the new ones back. Right? This side here just sucks.
pad not going on right?
Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Right there. See? You just look away for a minute. Hey, one part fell right in. Yeah. No, he's going. Jake.
Yeah.
You little kids. That brake quiet over there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I locked that door. This out here just don't want to cooperate it out. There we go. We had a wing roast. What'd you do last night? I had a wing roast over my Ford truck. Tell this girl right all done at work. She's always flipping me birds. Knows I can't talk on the phone. All the time.